Good morning, student. Next reaction with PCl5. CH3COOH plus PCl5. Left side 1Cl, right side 1Cl, center PCl3. Product CH3COCl, POCl3 plus HCl. Second term, reaction with SOCl2, CH3COOH plus SOCl2. Left side 1Cl, right side 1Cl, center SO. Product CH3COCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Next reaction with alcohol. C6H5COOH plus C2H5OH in the presence of acid. What happened that H and OH removal of water molecules. The remaining C6H5, COO, C2H5, ethyl benzoate. This reaction is called esterification. Next, reductions. CH3COOH reduction used lithium aluminum hydride, 4 hydrogens. Then 4 hydrogens means here 2 hydrogens, here 1, here 1. CH3, CH2, OH. CH3, CH2, OH plus H2O. This reaction partial reductions. Partial reduction. Now completely reduction. Complete reductions. CH3 COOH plus 6HI used red phosphorus with 473 Kelvin. What happened? H3 and H2H. So CH3 plus 3I2 plus 2H2O. Next, decarboxylation. Taking sodium acetate formula CH3COO Na plus NaOH, calcium oxide heated. What happened? That is removed. Na2CO3. Na2CO3 remaining CH3 on hydrogen. So methane will be formed. Next reaction, Golf electrolysis. Electrolysis of decarboxylations. Here also sodium is taken 2 times. Using electrolysis. What happened? That carbon dioxide removed. Here also carbon dioxide removed and sodium will be removed. Carbon dioxide 2 times. Sodium 2 times. Remaining CH3. This is for anode. Sodium will be cathode. Next reaction with ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. CH3 COOH plus NH3. What happened? Addition reaction. CH3 COO minus NH4 plus is heated means removal of water molecules. Removal of water molecule. Remaining CH3CO 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen gone means remaining CH3CO NH2. Acetamide formed. Acetamide formed. Next, action of heated phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. Acetic acid CH3COOH CH3COOH is heated phosphorus pentoxide using catalyst. What happened? Removal of water molecule. Remaining CH3CO minus H2O. Acidic anhydride present. Acidic anhydride present. Next, alpha halogenations. This reaction is called HVZ reactions. CH3 COOH. Functional group attached carbon alpha. So alpha halogen means reacting chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus. In the presence of red phosphorus with water molecule. That removal of HCl. Remaining CH2 Cl COOH. Monochloroacetic acid. That one time only present called mono. What one time chloro. Where substituted acetic acid. Monochloroacetic acid. Next, electrophilic substitution in aromatic carboxylic acid. First one, halogenations. Halogenation means that especially bromination taken. Bromine will be added. Benzene ring. COOH, benzoic acid. Br2, bromine. In the presence of catalyst, BBr3. So meta position will be occupied bromines. Meta position means third positions Br plus HBr. Second reaction, nitration. Nitration means NO2 group added. Same meta position only occupied. Benzoic acid go to nitration. Nitration taking concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. What happened? NO2 group added meta positions plus H2O. Third one, sulfonations. Sulfonation means SO3H only added. Similarly, meta position only occupied. Concentrated sulfuric acid. Meta position added SO3H plus H2O. Benzoic acid do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reaction not allowed because strong deactivating group of carboxylic group presents. Next, reducing action of formic acid. Formic acid formula HCl double bond O, OH. H, C, double bond O, OH. Aldehyde group also present and acid group also present. Formic acid having two functional groups. One is the aldehyde, another one is the acid. So formic acid reduced tolerance reagent. Reduced tolerance reagent. Go to the reaction. HCOO minus formic acid plus Ag plus ammonia called silver nitrate solution plus base 3 OH minus. What happened? See the reactions. Here 3 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen. So totally 4. 4 means 2H2O. Another one oxygen go to added here. So CO2 converted to CO3. CO3 2 minus. Remaining only present silver. So 2Ag silver mirror. Ammonia called silver nitrate converted to silver mirror. Second division reduced to Fehling solutions. Reduced to Fehling solutions. See the reaction. HCOO minus coming from acid plus 2Cu2 plus coming from Fehling solution plus 5OH minus. You decided first removal of water. Here 5 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen, totally 6. So 3 H2O remove. Remaining 2 oxygen present. 1 oxygen go to added in carbon CO2. So CO3 converted. CO3 2 minus. Remaining 1 oxygen go to added here. Cu2O. That Cu2O is called red precipitate. So evidence for reducing action of formic acid. Acid having two functional groups, aldehyde and acid. So aldehyde present, so tolerance reagent also answer and Fehling solution also answered. Next, test for carboxylic acid. First one, aqueous solution carboxylic acid turn blue litmus to red. You put the litmus paper in acid means blue to red color change. Carboxylic acid brick effervescence with sodium bicarbonate. If you taken sodium bicarbonate one test tube, added acid means brick effervescence will be coming. That due to the evolutions of carbon dioxide released. When carboxylic is warmed with alcohol concentrated sulfuric acid means ester formed. That reaction name is called esterification. That esterification detected for fruity odors. Next, pKa value will be given the table. Simply you have to read. Just ask one more questions. Next, the effect of substitutions on the acidity of carboxylic acid. First one, electron releasing alkyl group decrease the acidity. The electron releasing means plus I groups. Plus I group means here OH, here only hydrogens, here methyl group, here alkyl group. That increasing adders will be going on. That loss of proton will be becomes very difficult. For example, formic acid more stronger than acetic acid. Formic acid more stronger than acetic acid. Acetic acid more stronger than propanolic acids. Next, electron withdrawing substitution increasing in acidity. The electron withdrawing substitution decrease than negative charge carboxylated ion and stabilized. For example, fluoroacetic acid, chloroacetic acid, bromoacetic acid, iodoacetic acid. That is increasing electronegativity. That compared to halogen, fluorine is the lowest atomic number. And second one chlorine, third one bromine, so fourth one iodine. So increasing electronegativity of substitution. Acidity increasing the increasing number of electron withdrawing. Here 3 chlorine will be added, here 2 chlorine, here 1 chlorine, here no chlorines. So 3 chlorine will be added means increasing number of electron withdrawing substitution. Next, the effect of various electron withdrawing groups. Acidity of carboxylic acid follow the order. First group NO2 nitro group, second cyanide group fluoro, chloro, bromine, iodo. pH is called phenyl. The relative acidity of various organic compounds. Acid, phenol, water, phenol, alcohol in alkynes. So first one acid only acidity, second phenol, third one water, fourth one alcohol, fifth one alkynes. Next topic, acid halide. First one acid chloride. Example acetyl chloride. Formula CH3COCl. First preparation. Acetic acid react with COOH react with SOCl2. Already you see the reaction acetic acid properties. What happened? Left side 1Cl, right side 1Cl, center SO. CH3COCl, SO2 HCl. CH3COCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Physical properties. They are emit play fumes of hydrogen chloride when exposed to air or account the reaction with water vapor. They are insoluble in water, slowly being dissolved due to the hydrolysis. First one, chemical properties, hydrolysis. Hydrolysis using water molecules. CH3COCl plus H2O. What happened? OH, here added HCl. Product CH3COOH plus HCl. Acetic acid will be formed. Second reaction, alcohol. CH3COCl plus C2H5OH. Similar reaction followed. OC2H5, here added H. Product CH3CO, plus HCl. Name is called ethyl acetate. Third reaction, ammonia. CH3COCl plus NH3. Similar breaking. NH2, here added hydrogen. CH3CO, NH2. CH3CO, NH2 plus HCl. Name acetamide. Next, fourth reaction, secondary amine. CH3COCl plus NH2R. These secondary primary amines. What happened? Here added H, here added NHR. CH3CO, NHR plus HCl formed. N-alkyl amide. N-alkyl amide. Next, acetyl chloride with secondary amine. NHR2. Secondary amine. What happened? NH, NR2. R2. CH3CO, NR2 plus HCl. So N, N dialkyl amide. Next, reduction. Acetyl chloride reduction. CH3COCl reduction means hydrogen added. Catalyst, palladium barium sulfate. 2 hydrogens added. You know the reactions? Here added H, here added HCl. Reaction name is called, find out, Roseman reductions. So removal of HCl, remaining CH3, CHO. Acetaldehyde will be formed. Reaction name is called Roseman reductions. That aldehyde preparations only. Next, another reduction, CH3COCl plus 4 hydrogens. Lithium aluminum hydride. So here 2 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen. 2 plus 1, 3, 4. CH3, CH2, OH plus HCl. Name ethanol. Next, acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Acid anhydride formula CH3CO, CH3CO. This is for acid anhydride preparations from acetic acid. Is heated with phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. What happened? Water molecule released. Remaining CH3CO, CH3CO. That another one oxygen present. So acetic anhydride obtained. Second preparation, acetyl chloride with sodium acetate. Acetyl chloride with sodium acetate means NaCl removed. NaCl remaining CH3CO, CH3CO, O will be present. Acetic anhydride prepared. Next, chemical properties. CH3CO, CH3CO. First hydrolysis, H2O. What happened? Here breaking. Here added H, here added OH. That means what? CH3COOH, CH3COOH. How many? 2 times. CH3COOH 2 times. Next, acetic anhydride CH3CO, CH3CO react with alcohol C2H5OH. What happened? Here added H, here added O, C2H5. Product CH3COOH, CH3COO, C2H5. CH3COO, C2H5 plus CH3COOH. Acetic acid, ethyl acetate will be formed. Next, acetic anhydride react with ammonia. CH3CO, CH3CO react with ammonia. The same reaction obtained. Here added H, here added NH2. So formula CH3CONH2, CH3CONH2 plus CH3COOH. Name acetamide. N ethyl acetate. N acetic acid. You also write classwork note with the name also. Next, react with the phosphorus pentoxide. Acetic anhydride react with the phosphorus pentoxide. Formula PCl5. So what happened? You see, here added Cl, here added Cl, enter PCl3. So CH3COCl, CH3COCl. How many times? 2 times. CH3COCl 2 times. Remaining POCl3. Next topic, go to esters. Go to ester preparations. First, esterifications. Already number of times you have to learn. One more time write. Acid, CH3COH, alcohol, example ethyl alcohol, in the presence of H plus. So hydrogens and OH removed minus H2O remaining CH3 COO C2H5. That is the ester. Functional group ester. That name is called ethyl acetate. Name is called ethyl acetate.